Hello friends, few of you may have encountered that when you click on any button in a list view, it moves to the bottom position, or if you go to some different page and come back, it moves to bottom position. So I'll show you how to correct that in Sketchware. Like here you can see that in this, whenever I click on any like button or when I move to this page, the list view remains at same position, it doesn't move, it doesn't go to bottom. So I'll show you how to do this in Sketchware. So let's move to Sketchware. Okay, here is this page of the app, and first thing which we need to do is we have to put this list view 1 set list custom view data in the beginning in onCreate, even before creating the list map. And after this we do not have to use this list view set list custom view data, we will only use list view 1 refresh data. So this is the first thing which we have to do, put this set list custom view data in the beginning, and after that whenever you have to refresh the data, use only list view refresh data block. So here you can see I have used only list view 1 refresh data block and I have not used set list custom view data block. So this is the first step. Now after that, in a more block extra, after this closing curly bracket, we have to define a parse label, android.os.parse label, and we can name it anything, but here I have named it as PC. So this PC is a parse label. So this is a parse label, and apart from this we have to define, or we have to create a number variable. So here I have created a number variable par. Okay, and the first place where I've used it is in onStop method. In onStop I set this parse label PC is equal to listview1 dot onSave instance state. This will save the state of the list view in this parse label. So we have to remember this code, listview1 dot onSave instance state, and here I set this number variable par to 1. This is in onStop event, and in onStart event, if par is equal to 1, I use listview1 dot onRestore instance state PC. Okay, so this means that if user moves to some other page or user goes out of the application, then it will save the state of the list view in onStop method, and when user comes back in onStart method, it will restore the state of the list view 1. Similarly, when user clicks on any button in the list view and he has to stay at the same position while the list view refreshes, then we can do this thing. Go to the list view refresh data block, and just before it use PC is equal to listview1 dot onSave instance state, and right after that, right after the listview1 refresh data block, use listview1 dot onStore instance state PC. So this means that before refreshing the data, we save the instance state of the list view 1, and after refreshing the data, we restore the state of the list view 1. So that's all is required for stopping the unnecessary movement of this list view. So that's all in this video. I hope this was useful. Thank you very much for watching this.